Hi you guys, this is Stephanie here to show you guys today how I detangle my wet hair extensions. I just washed my hair, obviously did my makeup as well. I did a really good cleanse, shampoo, conditioner, followed by a really great rinse, a long rinse. Everything's nice and clean, and now it's time to detangle. Okay, so the first thing I do before I comb my wet hair extensions, I have a detangling product I use. It doesn't have any oils in it, which is needed for this particular brand of hair extensions. I'm going to spray my hair. Try to get it nice and saturated with a little detangling spray. Helps it comb out smoothly. Get my part here. Okay, so when I detangle my wet hair extensions, I am using a wide tooth comb. You don't want to use a regular hairbrush as it is not great for pulling on the hair, your own or the extension hair. I'm going to start at the bottom, and I'm going to hold as I work my way up. I'm holding right below the attachments. My attachments are at the root, and I'm brushing out all of the tangles with my wide tooth comb as I work my way up. I'm not putting a ton of pressure on tangles or on the hair. I like to do it gently. I also use my fingers to detangle the wet hair extensions. Again, just working my way up from the bottom of the extension hair to the top while I hold so that I make sure I'm not pulling too hard on the attachments. My hair falls at about this length, and then the extensions are within that, adding both length and volume. As I get closer to the root, I'm making sure to feel with my left hand where my attachments are, and I am combing below those attachments. Okay, you guys, I think I have them all out of my hair. It's nice and silky and smooth and ready to blow dry and be styled. Check the description below to see a video on how I blow dry my hair, and you can also see how I straighten it as well. Thanks for watching.